All right, guys, we're getting closer to Hay Days 2026. That's going to be June 6th from 10 o'clock until 5 o'clock at 14485 G Road here in Delta. We're going to have as many pieces of machinery as we could have out in the field. We'd love to see you there. If you go to our website, there's a place that you can RSVP, and we'll make sure to have lunch for you. We're going to have a lot of different reps there for Krone, for Deutz, for McDon, for Beaver Valley stuff, which is Enorossi, Maschio, H&S, Tar River, those type items. We'll have guys there. We would love to see you there. We'd love to be able to show as many people as we can in one day, because we're going to have everything hooked up and adjusted that we could have. So we're going to be able to have hay laid down that we're going to be able to go through, and we're going to be able to run our rakes on real quick and show the rakes all in action. So that this big rotary rake, our V rakes, our action rakes, the Maximus, the little belt rakes, anything of that, we're going to run those down through, and we're going to rake hay with them, and you have the chance to jump up in the cab and do it. After we rake some hay, we're going to have some balers hooked up. We're going to have our big 3x4 Gen 5 Krone baler hooked up running. We're going to have a 3x3 Krone baler hooked up and running. We're going to have Krone's round baler hooked up and running. We're also going to have a Maschio square baler hooked up and running, and then we'll also have one of our little mini round balers hooked up and running. So after we get done raking, we're going to turn the balers loose and let them go out and work, and we're also going to leave half of that field still standing, so that if you wanted to jump up in the cab of our 2260 McDon Swather and get a chance to run that, or be with the guy's name is Bobby Craig from McDon, and he would be happy to sit up in the cab with you and run it and show you what that machine can do. We're going to have a front mounted, rear mounted Enorossi setup. It's about a 20-foot cut that you'll be able to see that out, and if you'd like to get in it and run it, we're going to have one of Krone's ACTC 400s there that you'd be able to jump up in the cab and run. I will have a front mount Krone there hooked up. It's possible we could run it, but it's probably going to be on a tractor that's on a baler, so there might be some logistical issues there. But I'm going to try to have as many items hooked up as we could possibly have. So if you showed up and you had questions about something, hopefully we could take it right out in the field, show you what it will do, and be able to prove to you the efficiency, the ease of operation, whatever you would like to know in that product, and if it'll do the job that you wanted to do. Guys, that's going to be Saturday, June 6th. From 10 o'clock to 5 at 14485 G Road here in Delta. If you go to our website, which is varnerequipment.com, there's a spot on there, the QR code that you can scan, and you can register that RSVP essentially for it, and then we'll make sure that we got enough food and everything for you then. We'll see you there, guys.